Rose, what is this pimp that you're talking about? Are you a secret stripper? Perimenopause, plant-based, full week of travel meal prep. Let's freaking go. In this video, we are going through an entire week of plant-based meal prep for the perimenopausal woman who likes to travel and who is busy. Be sure to click the link below to get my PIMP pack travel meal plan and stick around to the end of this video as I walk you through how I'm planning to stay on track for my 7-week trip to Europe. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is my dog Frankie, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Rose. I am an online health and fitness coach for women. We have the best online program right now for perimenopausal and postpartum plant-based women. So if you are interested in private coaching with me and my team, click the link below. We're doing 3 things in this video. 1, we're giving you a full week of meal prep that's high protein. 2, we are making all of these recipes easy peasy. So if you are a corporate boss babe who travels, if you're going on vacation, you'll be able to apply this meal. We're making sure we hit all the macros and all the micros that you need as a peri and post menopausal and postpartum woman. Let's get into the video. How you can prep breakfast if you're home and you're just super crazy busy, you're on the go, or if you are legitimately traveling, which I'm about to. Be sure to click the link in the description to get the whole downloadable travel PDF meal plan. I want to talk to you ladies about why it's important to not skip meals, to not intermittent fast while you're in peri and going through and then reaching postmenopause. What happens is our gut bacteria, the flora of our gut, actually change. You are consuming a standard American diet, that change is gonna happen a little bit more rapidly and maybe even before you reach perimenopause. If you're skipping meals, you're gonna feel even more bloated than you already are. You're gonna feel even more constipated than you already are. If you have regular, consistent meals like we do for all of our clients that come on board, they have regular meals, you're gonna feel a lot better. You're gonna have sustained energy throughout the day, and you're gonna be fitting into your clothes better because you're not gonna be bloated. I highly recommend, ladies, eat your breakfast. Rose, what is this pimp that you're talking about? Are you a secret stripper? No, I am not a secret stripper. I am a hermit. But PIMP stands for protein in my purse. This is what I am planning to do personally when I go throughout Europe, and this is what we teach to our clients that travel all the time for work. I once had a client who was on a Navy ship, and she still lost 13 pounds in 3 months. And this is something that can keep you on track when you go away. We are making our PIMP packs. Click the link in the description for the meal plan. This is protein powder, peanut butter powder, hemp seeds, and crunchy cereal. We've gotten our 5 little PIMP bags, and I want to show you what I'm going to eat them with. We are going to eat them with yogurt. So we've got our 5 chickpea yogurts. These are my favorite store-bought yogurt. If you are someone that has time to make their own yogurt, I highly recommend doing it in your Instant Pot with this brand of soy milk. This brand of soy milk has super duper high protein count, and it's only soybeans and water. So if you are a woman that is going to the office, all you need to do is grab one and grab this and then maybe a banana and get out the door. Indulge in dinner. I tell them to just do the PIMP without adding a carb so they can save that for a yummy dinner. A dinner, and you want and Italia, oh, my homeland. If you are in Italia and you want a pizza and you are trying to stay on track with a fat loss target, right? Maybe skip the carb at breakfast, save it for dinner. It doesn't matter the time of day. All it matters is that you stay on track for the week. I really don't know how I'm gonna go in Europe when I run out of these protein buns. I actually might make little PIMP packs to bring with me, but we're making protein buns. Protein buns are just amazing. They taste like bread, because if you don't know this hack and you are a peri or postmenopausal woman, you're gonna think that you have to give up bread forever, which you don't. You can eat sourdough, regular bread. If you eat this, you're gonna be getting 50 grams of protein. You're gonna get that satiation. You'll be able to have it with whatever dips that you want. And then you're gonna be on track to reach your goals while super happy because you're having yummy bread. The thing that I hear so often, especially from my whole food plant-based ladies, is you feel like you can't ever have bread again. You can't ever have whatever thing it is again. But here's the thing, unless you're actively trying to reverse or prevent disease, right? That's a health issue. But if you're just like, heck, I want to get this last 20 pounds, 30 pounds, 60 pounds off of me and maintain it forever, you're going to need something that's sustainable. So I see so many whole food plant-based ladies going to Europe and then blowing it, or going to the Bahamas on a cruise and blowing it because they're in this environment. But here's the thing. Yes, you need to stay the course, avoid the pleasure trap, but you can still have some pleasure and stay on track. Secret is what works for all of my clients. Like, I don't even want it anymore. That's when you know that you have ridden the wave and you're on the other side. So, super duper easy. So I need to cut, we're using Vital Wheat gluten. I need to cut this with flour to make it a little bit fluffier inside. I'm using chickpea flour just because Vital Wheat gluten is not a complete source of protein. 250 grams of Vital Wheat gluten. 20 grams of chickpea flour for serving. So we're gonna do 100 grams total. All you do is the same amount of water. It's a 1-to-1. We're gonna go pop these in the air fryer, 315 for about 12 minutes, and I'll flip her to each side and we will bring them back later.
Keep these in a Ziploc bag for up to a week. Reheat before eating.
Lunch is gonna be a little bit different. This is a hack that works super well for our client and don't have time to prep. Buying a salad mix. Salad mixes from Whole Foods. We're gonna take some tofu. Yes, you can eat raw tofu. The hummus. We're gonna make our own. So take a container with them to work. Open this salad kit, this dressing, and dump that. We don't need it. Calorie, we're gonna dump that in here. Tofu, yes, you can eat raw tofu. This Ithaca hummus. Yes, this has oil in it, everyone. You can use the common brand if you don't want oil.
This is what breakfast will look like if you use the PIMP pack. Don't add any yogurt or carb if you want fancy dinner. Lunch, just grab some salad kits. And then you can save yourself for a yummy dinner. Here's a clip of me in Italy as a sneak peek. And stick around to this channel. I'll be documenting my entire trip, how I stay on track. And ladies, listen, life is for living. You should go out and have that pizza without guilt. That is what we teach our clients. So if you are interested in just learning how to be free forever from food guilt, apply below to my program. There's nothing to lose. And until next time, you guys, I will see you later, and click the link below in the description for the meal plan. Bye!